morning children, hope you are all fine and healthy. Yesterday we had finished with chapter number 5, separation of substances, and as I had told you that today we will be starting with the new chapter. So what is the new chapter, what is the next chapter? Let us imagine something. So मान लीजिए if you are asked to change anything around you, what will you think of? आपको माना जाता है, आपको बोला जाता है कि आप इमेजिन करें कि आप कुछ चेंज करें. यू हैव सडनली यू हैव गॉट सम मैजिकल पास एंड यू आर आस्क्ड और यू वांट टू चेंज समथिंग अराउंड योर सराउंडिंग्स, विद इन योर सराउंडिंग, विद इन होम, विद इन स्कूल. You want to change something about your friend, then just think and imagine what would be the changes you would like to see, and what changes would you change in your environment if you have got those magical powers. Let us think for a minute, then we'll move further. चलिए थोड़ा सा मैं आपको आइडिया दे देती हूँ. सपोज आई हैव दोज मैजिकल पावर्स. I would like to change the environment, like the trees are not there, so I would like to see a more greener environment, more greener earth. So I would like to see trees, lot of trees all around us, and that will also result in the lesser area with the dry lands. So first greenery. And second change, now the most important change which we all of us I think require at this time, I want that there should be no coronavirus, a world free of coronavirus. If I've got some magical power, I would like to change these, a world free of coronavirus, and secondly a more greener world. Now it's an exercise. If you are not able to think right now, all of you will be writing at least 2 things which you would like to change. ठीक है, if you have got the magical powers, so just write I would like to change and any 2 things which you would like to change, and please do this exercise positively. Let us see, and please send your answers through the Google Classroom. Fine. So this is an exercise which you are going to do today. You will be thinking about any 2 changes which you would like to change within you, within your house, within your friend, or within your community, within the surroundings, whatever. So this is it's a homework. You will be doing this. Now, since I have started about talking about changes, so the topic of today's chapter is changes around us. So our 6th chapter will be dealing with the changes around us. Now in general, what are the different type of changes you see in your environment? क्या देखते हैं आप environment में? The changes which are taking place regularly. Yes, come on. We see that trees are growing. पेड़ पौधे आपके बढ़ रहे हैं, ठीक है, वो हमें दिखता है. उसके बाद during winters, the most of the trees they shed their leaves. Before shedding there is a change in the color of leaves. थोड़ा सा जो ग्रीन पत्तियां होती हैं वो पीली पड़ना शुरू हो जाती हैं. Then they turn into brown, and finally most of the trees, except for evergreen trees, most of the trees they shed their leaves in autumn. In winters, after that the spring comes during February, March. The trees start to get new leaves. The color of the leaves is different. Initially it is lighter in color, light green leaves are there. Then the leaves they turn bigger, बड़ी हो जाती हैं. Slight change in color is also seen during that time. The leaves become more greener. Now from light green they turn to dark green. So that is a change. And some trees they start to have buds in them. And after some time, within 2, 3, 4 days, those buds they change into flowers, right? Then within a short time we see a tree or a plant which have lot of flowers, blooming flowers, है ना. बहुत सुंदर लगते हैं पौधे, पेड़ पौधों पे फूल आ जाते हैं. And to our surprise, if any plant has 2 or 3 flowers, they do not remain like that. With time, within 2 days, 4 days, 5 days, the flowers start to wilt, थोड़ा थोड़ा सा मुरझाना शुरू हो जाता है, फाइनली withers away और dries and just खत्म हो जाता है फूल, पेड़ पे ही सूख के गिर जाता है, और उसके बाद खत्म हो जाता है. Then sometimes with the trees which are fruit bearing trees, we see that instead of flowers we saw small fruits coming from those points. So it is a change, drastic change. The flower which has withered away has left the small fruit on the trees. With the passage of time, the fruits, they grow in size. Once they grow in size, they become big. उसके बाद बड़े हो जाते हैं. Their color remains same, green color के होते हैं. But once the size is like taken up, a particular size is gained by the fruit, they start to ripen also. धीरे धीरे जो आपके fruits हैं वो पकने शुरू हो जाते हैं. तो these are some of the changes which we see around us. Then आप normal, there is day, then we have evenings, then night. Again night changes into early morning, then morning, then afternoon. So we have divided different phases of the day into different time zones. So this is also a change. आप you can see many changes within yourself. आपके अपने में कितने changes आ जाते हैं. Your hair keeps on growing. आप उनको नहीं कटवाएंगे, आप उनको बालों को ऐसे ही रहने दीजिए तो they will keep on growing. So that is a change. Your nails, they start to grow or they keep on growing with the time. So this is a change. And with the change you gain height. आप लंबे होते हैं. Sometimes you gain weight also. There is a growth. So these are all changes which you see on regular basis. So we will also talk about some other type of changes. Before that, I would we will make a table and do some activity. So as we are talking about different type of changes, now the first activity which I am going to do is I will show you a paper. I have taken a paper and this is a paper. So it is in the form of an aeroplane. I have made an aeroplane out of it. Now the paper has been changed into a aeroplane. See, you know. Now I will just unfold it. I will unfold the paper. So in this change, what we have got? We have got initially, first the plain paper was there, which was turned into an aeroplane. Now after this, I have destroyed the aeroplane and now I have got the paper again. मुझे वैसा का वैसा पेपर initially जिससे मैंने start किया था, I have got it. Though it is slightly crumpled, but we have got a full paper. Now I'll take another example. I'll take a balloon and I just inflate it, blow it. See, it's a inflated balloon. हवा भर गई है गुब्बारे में. Now the balloon has inflated. But if I just loosen my hand, we will see the air has started coming out of the balloon. And I have got a balloon. जैसा मेरे पास balloon था, हवा मैंने उसमें भरी, it inflated, and after I release the air from the balloon has come back to its original shape and size. Now this is the second activity. Now the third activity, I won't be showing it to you, but suppose you take a dough. आप आटा लेते हैं, डो मतलब आटा जिसका जो गूंदा हुआ आटा है उसको लेते हैं, and you try to roll it into a round shape. मान लीजिए आप चपाती बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, आप राउंड शेप में उसको बेल रहे हैं, बट वो राउंड शेप में आपकी वो शेप ठीक नहीं आई, तो व्हाट विल यू डू? आप उसको दोबारा से खराब कर देंगे एंड अगेन यू विल ट्राई टू मेक इट अ राउंड चपाती अगेन. मान लीजिए इस बार भी इफ इट हैज नॉट कम अकॉर्डिंग टू योर एक्सपेक्टेशंस, what will you do? You will again take that dough and try to make a round chapati. So you will keep on changing the shape is only changing, but the material remains the same. So you will keep on doing that. Now we have done three activities, and I will be writing on the board, and we will see what happens in the next phase. So first activity was made a aeroplane, got the paper back. Second way, inflated the balloon. Got it back after I release the air from the balloon. And third, the dough. Kept on changing the shape, but the dough remained the same. Now, I will be doing these, I will be taking these substances, and then I will be performing some different type of activity on that. Now, this time I have taken a paper, and I will be cutting this paper into pieces. I have taken the paper and I have cut the pieces from the paper. पेपर से मैंने पीस काट लिए. Now, can I get it back? Can I get it back? No. I won't be able to get the paper in its real form. हम इसको चिपका जरूर सकते हैं, but naturally जैसे हमने पहले उसमें एरोप्लेन बनाया था, पेपर को फोल्ड किया, एरोप्लेन बनाया, उसके बाद पेपर को खोल दिया, ठीक है, ऊपर से हमने कोई चीज यूज नहीं करी, बट इन फर्स्ट एक्टिविटी वी गॉट द पेपर बैक. नाउ I have cut the paper, so we will try to get it back. Will we able to get it back? No. Now moving to second activity. Now I have taken a balloon. I have punctured this balloon with the compass. Now, can I get the balloon back? मुझे वो वाला बलून वापस मिल जाएगा जिसमें मैं दोबारा से हवा भर सकूं और बलून को पूरा वापस ले सकूं. It has gone, so I won't be able to get it back. Now, the third activity in which we had taken the dough, and because you wanted to have a round chapati, you just kept on. It is a dough, and you just kept on trying out to get a round shape, but that finally you got it or you didn't get it, that is another thing, but you kept on changing the shape. ठीक है, डो आपका वैसा का वैसा रहा. Now imagine if your mother has made a chapati out of that dough. Will you be able to get the dough again? No, it is not possible. So just writing our observations. Cut the paper, will not get back. हमें पेपर वैसे वापस नहीं मिलेगा. Punctured the balloon. We will not get the balloon. And dough, if it is baked, we will not be able to get the dough back. So now, if we compare these activities, we have done the activities, the materials are same, but something is different in both of these changes. Now, if we see, when we made an aeroplane, we got the paper back, unfold किया, हमें paper मिल गया. In second case, when I inflated the balloon, I released the air, I got the balloon back. Now in third case, to get a appropriate shape, round chapati, I just kept on changing the shape of the dough, but the dough remained the same. Though the shapes were changing, but the dough remained the same. But here in second activities, when I cut the paper, I didn't get the paper back. When I punctured the balloon, I cannot get the whole balloon back. And if I made a chapati out of that dough after rolling that dough with the help of a pin roll, then if I make it in a chapati, मैं चपाती बना देती हूँ उस आटे की, then I won't be able to get the dough back. So what is the difference between these two activities? Now if you see, in first activity we can reverse the change. जो हमने change किया था उसको हमने reverse कर दिया. Reverse. हमने एरोप्लेन बनाया पेपर का, पेपर की शेप चेंज हो गई, पेपर की स्टाइल चेंज हो गई, बट उसको अनफोल्ड किया तो हमें पेपर वैसे मिल गया. इट इज रिवर्स हो गया. उसके बाद हम एक बैलून को इन्फ्लेट किया, हवा निकाल दी तो बैलून हमें वापस मिल गया. डो बनाया, डो की अलग अलग शेप्स ट्राई करी, बट डो रिमेन सेम, तो ये रिवर्स हो गया. बट इन सेकेंड केस द चेंजेस वर they were not reversed. उनको हम वापस नहीं ला पाए. तो from this activity we can easily say that there are changes which are taking place around us. Some of the changes are reversible, some of the changes are non-reversible. तो हम इसको करेंगे non-reversible changes. ऐसे चेंजेस जो कि हम वापस नहीं ला सकते. दीज आर रिवर्सिबल चेंजेस. सो दिस वाज द इंट्रोडक्शन अबाउट द चैप्टर. वी विल बी लर्निंग अबाउट मेनी मोर changes which we see around us, and after this activity we can easily conclude that the changes which are taking place in our environment, in our body, in our community, some of the changes are reversible changes and some of the changes are non-reversible changes or irreversible changes. उनको हम irreversible भी कह देते हैं या फिर non-reversible changes भी कह देते हैं. So now I will just read some exercises which is given in your book on page number 48, and let us see what type of changes are there. So some changes can be reversed and some changes cannot be reversed. You just have to tick these changes. Now raw egg to boiled egg. कच्चे अंडे से अगर हम egg को boil कर दें, can we get a raw egg again? No, we cannot get it. So this change cannot be reversed. Second is batter to idli. Batter से if you have already made the idlis out of batter, can those idli be again turned into batter? No. The change cannot be reversed. वेट क्लोथ्स टू ड्राई क्लोथ्स. कपड़े आपके पास गीले कपड़े हैं, उनको आपने सुखा लिया, तो कैन वी अगेन वेट देम? सूखे कपड़े दोबारा से गीले हो सकते हैं? यस, इफ बाय चांस वाटर फॉल्स इन देम, इफ बाय चांस रेन कम्स डाउन, देन द ड्राई क्लोथ्स विल अगेन गेट वेट. तो दिस इज अ रिवर्सिबल चेंज. नाउ वुलन यार्न टू निटेड स्वेटर. आपके पास वुलन यार्न है, धागा है, उनका आपने स्वेटर बना दिया, तो कैन दैट स्वेटर बी अगेन टर्न इनटू यार्न? यस, आप स्वेटर को दोबारा से उधेड़ के यार्न पा सकते हैं. तो दिस इज अ रिवर्सिबल चेंज. नाउ ग्रेन टू इट्स फ्लावर. आपने गेहूं के दाने को आटे में चेंज कर दिया, आटा बन गया, फ्लावर बन गया, तो कैन यू गेट द ग्रेन्स बैक? नो, दिस चेंज कैन नॉट बी रिवर्स्ड. नाउ कोल्ड मिल्क टू हॉट मिल्क. दूध ठंडा है, उसको आपने गर्म किया, कैन दैट हॉट मिल्क बी चेंज्ड इनटू कोल्ड मिल्क? Yes, you leave the hot milk for some time on the table, it will change into cold milk. ठंडा दूध आप गर्म दूध में चेंज करने के लिए you have to provide it with heat. उसको गर्म करना पड़ेगा, but otherwise गर्म दूध को ठंडा करने के लिए आपको किसी चीज की जरूरत नहीं है. You just leave the hot milk on the table and after some time the milk will turn into cold milk. So this is a reversible change. Now straight string to a coiled string. एक आपने धागा लिया, उसको कॉइल कर दिया, तार ली उसको आपने कॉइल कर दी. कैन इट बी can you bring back the coiled string into a straight string? Yes, you just uncoil it and do. So there are, this is an exercise on page number 48. You can just check, many other changes are given. You just see and just write whether these changes can be reversed or these changes cannot be reversed. So for today's homework, this is your homework for today. You will be making this table in your notebooks on page number 48, and the changes have been given. You just have to write, you just have to think and write whether the changes given in are reversible, can be reversed, or they cannot be reversed. So this is all for today. Now tomorrow we will take the chapter further. The homework for today is do an exercise on page number 48, and secondly you have to write any two changes which you want to the things around which you want to get changed. So any 2 points which you want to get changed, you will be writing 2 points and plus the exercise on page number 48. So this was all for today. Stay safe and please do your homework. Thank you.